Hello and welcome to a new video on our channel. Today we will be discussing the topic of Python variables. Variables are containers in which we can store values in Python. They help us store data and access it later. To declare a variable in Python, we simply give it a name and assign a value to it. The variable name can consist of letters, numbers, and underscores, but it must start with a letter or an underscore. For example, my underscore variable equals sign 42. Once we have declared a variable, we can use it to access or modify the value. If we want to print the value of a variable to the screen, we can use the print function. For example, my underscore variable equals sign 42 print my variable. Python supports various data types that we can assign to variables, such as integers, floats, strings, and booleans. We can also manipulate variables by assigning them new values or combining them with other variables. For example, x equals sign 5, y equals sign 3z equals sign x plus y print z, name equals sign max, greeting equals sign hello plus name plus print greeting. That concludes our brief introduction to Python variables. Variables are an essential part of programming and will be very useful in your Python projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Until next time, happy coding with Python.